Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new video from Simon Says It. In Excel, numbers play a very major role. In some cases, you might need to round off the numbers. Sometimes it is unnecessary to round off values. But Excel automatically rounds off values greater than 15 digits. So what do? In this video, I will show you how to stop Excel from rounding the values using 4 easy methods. The first method is to change the format of the cells. In Excel, the default cell formatting is general. You need to convert the format to number so it can show more digits. To change the cell formatting from general to number, select the cell you want to change the format. Go to Home, and in the Number section from the drop-down, select Number. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+1 to change the formatting of the cells. Select Number in the Format Cells dialog box. You can also specify the decimal places and significant digits and click OK. Now you can see the format of the cell changed and the value exhibited as a complete number. The second method is to change the decimal places. To change the decimal place, select the cell with the rounded value. Navigate to Home. In the Number section, click on the Increase Decimal option to extend the significant digits which show up in the Excel sheets. This option gives you the liberty to choose the number of digits you want to display. In some cases, denoting numbers consisting of more than 15 digits is necessary. Values like bank balances or telephone numbers might not be displayed in Excel. To overcome this, you can add an apostrophe in front of the number. This converts the number to a string. Please keep in mind, Excel only has a display restriction for numbers, whereas a string does not have any restrictions. Adding an apostrophe is the appropriate workaround for you. Another reason Excel was not able to display the full range might be because of the width of the column. To overcome this error, you just have to extend the column tab. Place the mouse pointer in the column header. You can see the mouse pointer change to a double-sided pointer. Click on the column and drag the column to your desired width. In this video, we saw 4 easy ways to stop Excel from rounding. You can stop Excel from rounding the values by changing the format of the cells, by changing the decimal places, adding apostrophe, or extending the width of the column. Choose the method which suits you best. If you have any queries, please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. We are always here to help. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full blog article that this video came from, please click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.